I am completely bored. It is almost 1 a.m. on July, well, technically the 14th, 2018. So recently I have been, or have started and finished watching Doctor Who, the modern day one, starting with the Ninth Doctor. I absolutely love Doctor Who. Matt Smith is definitely my doctor. Most definitely. Can't wait for the new series. It's gonna be awesome. Oh, sorry. But yeah, I'm excited. God, my nose got hurt. I was in the pool today. It's not really, oh, my shoulders got a little bit too. I was in the pool today at a friend's house. This coming Saturday, me and my mom are going to go see Lake Shelter at Biggie Field. I'm so excited. You can tell how obsessed with Dr. I am. And then hang on, my notification ringtone. Well, my regular ringtone in case anybody ever calls, and then my notification ringtone. I'll put in my notification ringtone first. Maybe it'll work here. Like my phone case? I love my phone case. Okay. My notification is this. Obviously. And then for if anybody ever calls me, it's unless they have it designated ringtone, which is my normal ringtone. Other ringtone notifications I got are this one,
I'm the doctor.
this one, and this one.
You got a text message. Text messages are cool.
But I like this one the most. Because it's my doctor. It's mine, Matt. Anyways. I'm really bored. I have to put my phone in. It's about to die. So yeah, I think that is you can't see them right now. But one says bow ties and the other one says are cool. And then it was a 3-pack, so I also got they also came with TARDIS, and then just bow tie stuff. What is this thing? Sorry, YouTube is giving me a problem. For unverified account. To fix the issue, just a verified account, then activate this video and this video match, and you don't have to upload it again. Okay, sorry. It's my very vacation code. Seriously? I just seriously just did this not too long ago. Like earlier. What the fuck? Sorry. It's like it's not working with me here, people. 4, 9, 5, 9, 4. Submit. Okay, so continue. Activate this video. Do I have to play it? I don't know I have to play it. I guess that's just it. Yeah, unless I have to let it play, I don't know. Okay. I guess that's it. And anyways, sorry. I need to give me because it's such a long length. It was like over 15 minutes. Way back. Anyways, I should delete that message now. I have been together with my boyfriend for 5 years, which is awesome, and I love him to death. I watch Big Brother, and I have to say my favorite person on Big Brother is Frankie Grande. He is the brother of Ariana Grande. I love him. I'm subscribed to him on YouTube. If you're not, subscribe to Frankie Grande on YouTube. You should. His videos are hilarious. He is actually the one that's getting me into being a YouTube personality and YouTube blogger. I've been wanting to do this for a while, but I haven't. But Frankie Grande is the reason. He's hysterical. I love him to death. Anyways, I hope he wins Big Brother. I'm rooting for him. Go Frankie. I don't know. I haven't watched tonight's episode, True Blood, yet. I'm gonna have to try to wait for Tuesday to watch it with my boyfriend since we're not hanging out tomorrow. And then tomorrow, me and my brother are gonna play video games and watch tonight's episode of Big Brother because I haven't watched it yet. Yeah. I got some stuff to catch up on. Well, at least 2 things, as far as I know. But anyways, I need to make crazier videos, like Frankie does. I'm definitely gonna be taking some videos at the Blake Shelton concert. Now, upload those next Sunday. Just depends what ones I do. Got to see my friend Cole again yesterday for the longest time. I missed him. He's fun. He's always fun. He's hysterical. And then I don't know, that's pretty much it. I should try to get to bed. But if you like me, I don't know. I hope you like me. You know, be like changing a little bit because I'm on a diet, but shouldn't be changing too much like Jake Carey was. But anyways, that's it for now. I'll do another video tomorrow possibly. So, alright, bye.